Hi everyone, today we are discussing about the image formation by concave mirror. Image formation by concave mirror. I'm considering. So if you consider here, so I'm taking the concave mirror like this. So pole, focus and center of curvature. So coating I'm taking here like this. So if you place the object, so I'm dividing into equal parts. If you take object at infinity, one light I am taking in this direction, another light it will be taking like this. So it will be reflected and meet at focus. So like this. Okay, so object you placed at infinity, so image is forming at focus. What is the nature of the image? Real and inverted, and diminished image, highly diminished in the sense, so image is reduced, image size is reduced, highly we can say highly diminished, because point size image is forming at focus. point size image, okay. So one more light, so this first image formation, second image formation if you take, so I'm taking first image formation, second image formation if you take, I'm taking like this, one more like this, okay. Concave mirror, I'm taking all the points, so pole, focus and center of curvature. Pole, focus and center of curvature. If you take the object beyond center of curvature, one light is coming like this, okay. So after reflection passes through the focus, and another light ray we can take through center of curvature like this, okay. So incident ray, reflected ray, so here this incident ray and reflected ray, this one like this passing, so where image is forming here in between this one, okay. So once again, object we place beyond center of curvature, from this one, this is the object, from this one light ray I am considering like this, after reflection passes through the focus, another light ray passing through the center of curvature, after reflection passes back, okay. Object where we are placing beyond c, so where image is forming between center of curvature and focus, so what is the nature of the image? Real, inverted and diminished image, is formed, means size is reduced, diminished image. Once again, so image formation by concave mirror, I am taking object at infinity, so one light is coming like this, another light is coming, after reflection both lighters will meet at focus, so image will be forming at focus. What is the nature of the image? Real, inverted and highly diminished image, because so it is a point size image, highly diminished in the sense point size image is formed at focus. And object placed beyond center of curvature, so where image is forming between center of curvature and focus, so what is the nature of the image? Real, inverted and diminished, image is formed at between center of curvature and focus. Thank you.